So kapag nag-faded na, valid pa rin ho ba yung winning ticket na yon? Kung faded na lahat ng numero, granting lahat ng numero wala na. Pati yung tawag niyan, serial number. Kasi nga poor quality ng paper. Naging blanco na yung ticket. Ano mangyayari? Kasi sinabi niya
Pag-draw natin today, may winner, ilang years bago niya maklaim at mapaso na yung kanyang pagkapanalo?
1 year po, Your Honor.
How soon nag-fade na yung mga nakaprint doon sa papel? Oh. I'm sure after 1 year, wala na siguro yun. Yung jackpot ticket yun, hindi mo na mababasa yung mga numero na andun. From experience po, ma'am.
Dati po yung orange, yun yung pinaka maganda yung ano niya, print. Matagal siya mag-fade.
Okay.
Tapos
Orange.
meron yung pink.
Okay.
Yun yung parang naranasan ko na medyo madali siyang mag-fade. Pero hindi naman siya naabot ng 1 year. So, mga 6 to 7 months. Tsaka siguro yung iba, depende sa handling ng ticket nila.
So ano ngayon currently? Orange or pink ngayon? Kung bumibili ng mga ticket, Arwin the orange pa? Panahon ng orange o pink na?
Pink na po ngayon.
Pink na tayo ngayon. So nakita na.
So, nag-fade yung numero. Sabihin natin, nag-fade yung numero in 7 months. So, kapag nag-faded na, valid pa rin ho ba yung winning ticket na yon? Kung faded na lahat ng numero, granting lahat ng numero wala na. Pati yung tawag niyan, serial number. Kasi nga, poor quality ng paper. Naging blanco na yung ticket. Ano mangyayari? Kasi sinabi niya, 6 to 7 months.
Mr.
AGM.
Chair,
Palit pa ba yung ticket, kung burado na lahat, pati yung serial number, pati number and all. Granting, gano'n nangyari.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. So, ang policy ng PCSO, allowing 1 year to claim yung price. Ngayon po,
Kaya nga po.
yung ticket po, sir, we have constant reminder na they should keep it kasi sabi nga po nung teller kanina na proper handling.
Sir,
Yes,
papaiksi natin. Huwag na tayong pa-bullshit, sorry. Paikot-ikot dito. Sinasabi niya, dahil sa poor quality, kasalanan niyo dyan sa PCSO, nag-hire kayo ng contractor na palpak. Okay? Hindi na kasalanan ng mga betos, hindi na kasalanan ng mga outlets. Ngayon, 6 to 7 months daw nag-fade. Paano kung halimbawa nag-fade na talaga lahat, hindi na mabasa, and then itong nanalo, pumunta sa inyo after 8 months, totally faded na. Hindi na ma-read halos. I-claim niya, talagang legit naman talaga siyang winner. Sabi niya, sorry talagang ako yung winner, ito talaga, may ebidensya akong tumaya ako, may picture pa ako, kasi alaga ko, etc. Pwede pa ba siya makaklaim na hindi niya makasalanan? Kasalanan nung kinuha yung palpak na contractor ng thermal paper.
Sir,
Sir, pakisagot lang.
pag hindi po mabasa yung ticket, definitely,
Sorry na lang.
yung terminal, kasi ang requirement po namin
Kaya nga,
to claim,
sir, wag na kasi-
mabasa ng terminal.
So,
Pag
yung
po
sinasabi
mabasa,
ko-
sir,
Kaya nga. So, wala na.
hindi po ma-validate, hindi po namin mapapasa.
Exactly. So, anong solusyon yan? Na for 1 year, matibay, nandun pa yung mga numero na hindi siya magpipaid. Na mababasa pa rin. What is, ano yung mga safeguards nyo na binabanggit nyo kanina, ISO, kung ano pa man yan, to ensure na hanggang 1 year, yung integrity ng ticket nandoon pa rin, mababasa pa rin, readable pa rin, the numbers and all. Anong safeguards? Meron kayo? Yes, sir. Mr. Casas.
Yes, sir. Dapat, sir, we should have, meron kaming good quality nung thermal paper.
Exactly.
May several coatings
Exactly.
po yan.
Isa ngayon, very poor quality. Sino kasing Poncio Pilato dyan sa PCSO na ito yung kinuha na contractor na super low quality?
If I may, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kasi, sir, nasa tropical country tayo, mainit, humid ang ating environment.
Sir, dapat
So,
that should have before you ask for provider na magsali sa bidding, meron dapat, di ba, pre-bidding and post-bidding procedure na ginagawa nyo. Sana, chinecheck nyo yan to ensure na kaya yung magpo-provide, kaya niya ang panindigan, yung integrity ng kanyang thermal na ticket, na paper, na kayang mag-grade pa rin doon sa ipiprint na mga numbers up to 1 year, readable pa rin, pati yung serial number. Kasi ang sinasabi ni Ma'am Salvador, up to 7 months lang pala, paano kung yung tao nagbakasyon? Okay? O nakalimutan niya yung ticket na niya, and then all of a sudden naalala niya, uy, nanalo nga pala ako. And then, pumunta sa PCS, kinuha niya sa kanyang, baol. Uy, teka muna, bakit faded na ito? Tropical, sabi mo nga, mainit kasi dito. O kahit na sabi natin, nilagay lang dyan somewhere, tropical, mainit. Sabi mo, faded na. Pumunta sa PCS o claim, hindi na ma-read dahil sa thermal palpak. Sorry na lang. So, ang solusyon niyan, yung provider ninyo, cancelin natin yung kontrata, kung sino man yan. Kuha tayo ng provider na kayang panindigan yung sinasabi natin up to 1 year. Mr. Robles, yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, if you would recall, yung nakaplansya ng ticket, unreadable din yun, pareho rin yun. Pero unreadable po. Pero ang sinasabi ko, pwede po yata sa Supreme Court yung secondary evidence. So, I'm just saying, kasi normally po ang experience namin.
No, that's not, Mr. Chairman, that's not the explanation that we're after na pwede kang magkorte. Ang gusto natin sabihin, tama kayo na sa law, 1 year you have to claim.
Yes. Okay.
Therefore, your system must allow a valid ticket up to more than a year.
We agree, Your Honor. And
Hindi
I think,
pwedeng faded na siya by 7 to 8 months. And kasi the winner has the right to time when he or she will claim the jackpot. Karapatan niya yun.
yes, Your
Up to
Honor.
1 year.
Yes,
Huwag
Your
naman it's the ticket itself magsasabi, wala ka na kasi nag-fade na ako.
No, I'm
Actually,
just
Mr.
saying-
Chairman, this is more than just paper. Actually, sa matching din ng printer ng machine. The ink being used in that, what is the printing mechanism in the machine and the ink being used matching with the paper that they are procuring, Mr. Chairman. So, wag natin sabihin na anyway, you have a remedy, you can go to court. Hindi. Your system must comply with the basic minimum requirement of the law.
I agree, Your Honor. And,
Make sure.
I agree, I
Okay.
think, but we have to test that really.
Question. If I win to today sa draw, when is my last day? How do you compute the 1 year? Sige, sabihin niyo muna sa akin. January 25, 2024, when is my last day to claim? Okay, so kung January 25 ngayon, 2024, can you show me a January 26, 2023 ticket na klaro pa? Sige nga. Dapat ng January 26, 2023 na ticket klaro pa ngayong araw. Sige, pakita nyo nga.
So lumilitaw, Senator Coco and AGM Casas, hindi lamang low quality yung printer, kundi maging yung ink, hindi lang yung thermal paper, ang low quality, kundi maging yung ink, pati yung printer.
Mr. Chairman, wala pong ink yung thermal ticket natin.
Hindi, yung printer, siyempre,
Yung
yung
printer, it's yung data being printed through thermal coating, thermal heat.
thermal heat, kaya nagkakaroon
Yes, sir.
ng number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thermal talagang problema.
Yes, sir. We have technical specifications yung sinusunod sa bidding, and yung materials before we accept is being validated ng aming
Pero have you tested it? Kasi ang sinasabi, 6 to 7 months, faded na. Dapat na-test nyo muna. Dapat they have to show proof na yung thermal nila kayang protektahan yung integrity ng mga numero
Yes,
na
sir.
na-print doon. Pati mga serial number and all the information that were there na up to 1 year, nandoon pa rin yun.
Yes, sir.
Yun dapat ang na-insure ninyo bago kayo tumanggap ng ano. Bago
Yes, sir.
kayo tumanggap ng bidder na yun, kung sino man yung nag-bid. At pinanalo ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung sino man yung Ponce Pilatong yun.
Nag-undergo yan, sir, ng quality testing.
Yun nga po, sir, nag-undergo nga ng quality. Yes. Quality based on your assessment. Your assessment. Okay? But your assessment, maybe for you, was good. But it wasn't good enough, the result.
Did you actually test, Mr. Chairman, Mr. GM? Did you actually test the printing system that although wala ngang ink, let's say heat printing system and then the thermal paper, magmamatch pa rin dapat yun. Did you actually test it na alam nyo na the tickets will last for more than a year?
Yes, sir. Sinasubject namin sa
Yeah,
region.
do you have proof that you tested
Yes,
it?
sir. We have reports.
Okay. Okay.
Quality.
So how will you test na it will last for more than a year? Did you really
May-
did you prolong your bidding system to more than a year?
They have what they call a aging system, aging test on the ticket.
Sinubmit nila sa inyo.
Yes, sir.
So may third party laboratory na nag-certify na totoo nangyari ito? Kasi ang real test nito is to print the ticket and wait for 1 year. Pero syempre hindi nyo ginawa yun dahil procure kayo eh. Mabilisan yan eh. So I'm sure kung required sa specs ninyo yan, meron silang claim that it will last for more than a year and must be certified maybe by a lab. Hindi pwedeng salita lang nila. Tama o mali?
Yes, sir. You're correct.
Hindi. Kaya nga, did you require that? Pag hiningi namin ng proof in writing, kaya nyo i-submit?
The testing is being done by our technical working group.
Hindi, kaya nga, you waited for a year. Did you wait for a year sa lahat ng mga interested parties na paprint kayo ng ticket? Lagyan dyan, hintayin natin 1 taon, tignan natin kung mag-fade o hindi.
Sir, from what I know, this team also holds yung records of tickets which are more than a year po. And we will ask them to provide.
Kasi claim, Mr. Chairman, akin palagay, siyempre, nasa specs yun, the tickets that your system will generate must last for at least a year, more than a year, para makaklaim nga si winner, dahil yun ang nasa law eh. So therefore, bidding yan, I'm sure hindi naman nila pinaprint and then hinintay na 1 taon. So there must have been a claim there na pinaniwalaan nila yung winner, that's why grinant nila yung kontrata doon. But is it a mere claim or is it a laboratory confirmed claim?
It's sa office po, sir. Our staff conducted the testing.
Kaya you waited
The one
for
prepared
for a year? Maniwala ko, hindi ako maniwalang you waited for a year para makita nyo kung nag-fade o hindi.
Dapat doon sa testing nyo, lab testing, na sa testing na yon kayang panindigan nung papel na yon, yung nanalo, yung integrity ng thermal paper na yon na up to 1 year. Hindi mo naman pwede kasing hintayin. 12 months, ang tagal yon. So lab, sa pamagitan ng lab test, kung anumang klaseng laboratory test, di ba, Mr. Chair, na magpo-prove na kaya nitong panindigan yung integrity ng ticket at yung mga information nandun. Kaya nga, we need, wala eh. We need a third party. Siyempre, pag tinanong natin yung contractor, hindi sir, maganda itong thermal namin. It passed ISO, etc., etc., all the standards, etc., langit at lupa, sasabihin nun. So we need an independent body na makukonsulta natin na magsasabi whether tama ba, sumunod ba siya sa procedure.
Mr. Chairman, I'm holding a ticket now dated June 27, 2022. The other one, December 2022. And this proves that the data is still readable and we can still validate this using our terminal. Yes, sir.
Okay. And that was under the time of sino yung ating thermal paper provider? Is that the
I think this is during the time of
Apo production?
Yes,
Apo
sir.
production yan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Patingin. Basta yun kasi sa amin. Mga non-winning tickets naman yan, kaya don't worry.
But this ticket is from previous contractor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're talking about the new contractor. Yun ang nireklamo. Napalpak yung thermal paper.